Hey friends, if you encounter high disk or memory usage while playing games on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So I'll guide you for both of them first. If it is about high disk usage, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Okay, and then click on OK, and then click on this option. Check all of these options here, each and every one of them. Click on OK, click on delete files, and it will delete all the files associated with it. And as for memory usage, you can run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool, but I'll give you a better option later. So search for Memory Diagnostic and click on Windows Memory Diagnostic and simply click on Restart Now and check for problems. But there is one more aspect to it. Okay, there's one more thing that you can do and I suggest you to do, and that is to increase the RAM of your system. I mean, physically add a new RAM or keep it at the maximum capacity, because if you do not have sufficient RAM, then you cannot play the game. And rather, I actually suggest not playing that game if it is very high on system resources. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.